What is skin barrier and how do you repair it? But before we start to even speak about skin barrier or lipid barrier, you might hear as well, we must understand one thing. Your skin cannot and will not recover if you keep damaging it every single day. Your skin barrier or lipid barrier, it is the outermost protective layer of your skin. Its function, it's very simple. To keep moisture in and to keep everything that's harmful out. It makes sense, right? It also works together with your microbiome. These days, microbiome it's very popular. It's actually the microorganisms that live in the surface of our skin, because these microorganisms will help in the defense of your skin barrier. Now let's imagine that your skin barrier it's a wall. The skin cells are the bricks, the lipids are the mortar, keeping everything together. Ceramides help to build the structure. Cholesterol will help with the flexibility. And the free fatty acids is going to help to maintain the natural pH of your skin. And our skin should have a slightly acidic pH, ideally around 4.5 to 5.5, because that's where your skin barrier will be functioning at its best. Knowing what your skin barrier is made of, it's only half of the story. The real question is, what damages it? One of the biggest mistakes that I see, it is harsh cleansers for your skin type, over exfoliating, especially when you have oily skin. And I can say that because I do have oily skin and sometimes it's shiny. And what I see many people doing, you want to wash as much as you can because you want to feel that squeaky clean feeling. But it's not about what you do, it's how you do, especially during the summer, because you will be sweating. The oil production is not going to stop. Hot water, harsh chemicals, over exfoliating, this will be definitely cleaning up your skin. And you will be stripping your lipid barrier too. And this will be creating a vicious cycle. When you're searching for the best facial in Miami, the best hydrofacial, or facialist, esthetician in Miami, make sure that you go to a place that they are licensed. And what I like to say for life and for skin is that what you do when no one is watching is what eventually everyone sees. So when you are washing your face, wash your face with lukewarm water, a gentle cleanser. If you're thinking about repairing your skin barrier, think about protecting, especially in cities like Miami. SPF, it is a must. The UV rays will be damaging even more the skin barrier. As important as repairing, it is protecting. Moisturizer helps. Ceramides helps. Niacinamide helps. SPF protects. A lot of people ask me, what it is the best sunscreen? The best one is the one that you have. A nice way to actually see your products, it is take a picture of the front and the back, go to ChatGPT or Gemini and ask, act as a senior skincare professional, dermatologist, and tell me whether this product is clean and clinical and skin barrier safe. Keep your skincare routine simple. A gentle cleanser, toner, serum, moisturizer, and SPF. Being consistent and committed, you will see over time that your skin barrier will be reinforcing. In the next video, I will be speaking a little bit more about ceramides and niacinamide. I see you there.